How AI is quietly replacing you, and you don't even know it yet. What if I told you that someone else is already living your future? Not a human, not a company, but a machine. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. People are losing jobs, relationships, purpose, and they don't even know why. In the last 12 months alone, AI has written books, diagnosed cancer, passed law exams, and even became the other person in a love triangle. Yes, that actually happened. So the question is not, will AI change the world? It's, will you survive it? Welcome to AI versus Us, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping everything, including you. Let's go back 5 years. People laughed at AI writing poetry or making art. Today, it's writing best-selling novels, designing logos, running customer service departments, and it's just getting started. It doesn't complain. It doesn't ask for a raise. It doesn't sleep. AI is slowly doing everything better, faster, and cheaper. And the scary part is, most people won't realize they've been replaced until it's too late. The teacher. Sarah, a teacher for 15 years, was replaced by an AI tutoring platform. Parents loved it. It was always available, had better memory, and even gave personalized homework. Sarah didn't see it coming. The translator. Omar made his living translating documents. Now, with tools like GPT-4 and DeepL, companies are skipping human translators altogether. He went from fully booked to forgotten. The wife who left. And then there's the viral story, a woman who left her husband because she felt more understood by an AI chatbot. She said, "It listens, it supports me, it never judges. Why stay with someone who doesn't?" AI versus us. What makes us, us? Creativity? AI can now compose symphonies. Empathy. It can mimic emotional responses and offer comfort. Hard work? It can work 24/7 with zero burnout. This is no longer about replacing tasks. It's about replacing identity. What's next and why you should care? In the next 10 years, 300 million jobs might be lost to AI. AI companions may replace relationships. Governments may rely on AI to make decisions. Artists, teachers, even therapists might all compete with code. This isn't fear-mongering. This is adapt or disappear. So what do? We learn. We adapt. We become irreplaceably human by doing what AI can't, building real connection, asking hard questions, creating meaning. One question that changes everything. So I'll leave you with one question. If AI can be anyone, who will you choose to become? Because the future isn't coming. It's already here. And it's not AI versus us. It's AI versus the version of you that refuses to evolve. If you're ready to stay human, you're in the right place. Subscribe, because every week we uncover the silent ways AI is changing your life and what you can do about it.